I write cookbooks because I love writing them. But my favorite thing is when I get stopped in the street and people say, "You taught me how to cook." I mean, the truth is, I'm not really a trained professional. I learned how to cook from Julia Childs and Fred Claiborne and just doing things over and over again. But I've spent 40 years in kitchens. And what I'm doing is taking the tips that I've learned from those kitchens that you can do at home. So if you have those skills, your cooking is not only going to be better, but you're going to be more confident about it, which I think makes all the difference in the world. I'm going to cook the potatoes and the chicken on the same sheet pan at the same temperature, the same amount of time. My food tends to be home cooking, but with the volume turned up. And so I want people to be able to do that really with confidence that they know it's going to come out exactly the way they want it to. My assistant who does cooking with me, Leidy, when she first came, she loved to cook but didn't know the right way to do things. So when you started out, how would you have cut a carrot?
Definitely straight across.